wait to see what you'll build today. That's the way. Just slice or tap it to open. Where to now? Right leads to the Great Waterton Station. The Great Waterton Station's coming up. Right leads to the Boulder Cliffs. Left leads to the Great Waterton Station. The Great Waterton Station's coming up. The passengers have arrived. Annie says thank you. You've got this. Help the engine jump the big bridge. Tap as fast as you can on the buttons to make the engines go, go, go. That was so much fun! Let's go find that toy! Which way do you want to go? Right leads to the lava quarry. Left leads to Left leads to the pig farm. Forward leads to